Hey you guys, time for another unboxing. This time I'm unboxing another a package from from Clark and Riggs. This is actually a package from Mystery Science Theater 3000, and this is actually my reward reward for um for um for backing their Kickstarter, one of their Kickstarters. It was last year. It was two years ago. I don't remember. All right, but let's see what it is. Aha. Mystery Mystery Science Theater 3000. Okay. Here's the Satellite of Love. It's a sticker sheet. Here's the Satellite of Love. The logo from Mystery Science Theater 3000. Here's the host of Mystery Science 3000, Jonah. The original host, Joel. Here are the Mads. And here's Cruelty Robot. Here's 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 Tom Sobo, Gypsy. I don't know who this guy is. And here's a logo probably for the Mads, I think. And here's a logo for Gizmonic Institute. I don't know what this one is. And here are stickers for hashtag we brought back MST3K, which is short for Mystery Science Theater 3000. So yeah, and it says on the back that they're stickers. But yeah, so these are the only kind of awards I could get at the time. They had other awards, but this is the only one my mom could let me. My mom could only let me spend $20. Spend $20. I'm only spend $20. So there's along with another reward. There's all I could get. But yeah, I also had had a pair of 3D glasses that I got. But other than those and the sticker, that's about it. But yeah, that's what I want to show you. These stickers from Mystery Science Theater 3000. But thank you guys for watching. A big thanks to the people at Mystery Science Theater 3000 for sending me my stickers. And anyway, and thanks again for you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below, share the video around, and most importantly, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the little bell icon so you don't miss my next video whenever it goes up. And don't forget to and don't forget to open up a and don't forget to and don't forget to and don't forget to open and don't forget to set up notifications on your phone in the settings, right? And thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye.